Hi friends, good morning. I am Sunil here and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Sunil Computers Tech. So today in this video I am teaching you basic parts of computers. Let's go to the slide. Basic parts of a computers and their functions. The most common basic parts of computers: monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, UPS. The going over the basic parts of computers and their functions will help you understand. It's a great place to start your want to learn about modern computers. The first one is a monitor. A computer is an output device which helps the user to display all the information a pictorial form. Full form of monitor: M is an machine, O is an output, N is a number of, I is a informations, T is a to, O is a organizer and R is a report. The most different type of monitors. The first one is a CRT. CRT is a stand for cathode ray tube, and second one is an LCD. LCD stands for liquid crystal display. Third one is LED. LED stands for light emitting diode, and last one is a plasma display. Now nowadays are most of people are using LED monitors. And third one is a keyboard. A keyboard is an output device which helps the user to enter data, example letters, words and numbers into computers. The key on your keyboard can be divided into several groups based on functions. The parts of keyboards: numeric key, function key, navigation key and numeric keypad and typing keys. Function keys. The F1 through F2 function key have a special alternate commands. These keys are called enhanced function keys. Enhanced function keys provided into quick access frequently used commands that can increase your productivity. Number key. The numpad keys are digits 0 to 9. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division symbols. And decimal points are number lock and enter keys. Navigation keys, they includes the rows key, home, end, page up, page down, delete and interest. Numeric keypads are designed to provide a calculator style efficiency for entering numbers. Typing keys. The typing keys also include shift, caps lock, tabs, enter the spacebar and backspace. Type of keyboards for computers. Most of commonly people are using USB keyboards. USB keyboard is a standard keyboard that going into the most useful and popular ports of your computer, the USB port and PS2 ports keyboard. The PS2 ports keyboard is a 6-pin mini DIN connector used for connecting keyboards and mic to the PC compatible computer system. And next one is a wireless keyboard. Nowadays most people are using wireless keyboard, wireless mouse. So many wireless things are using. Next one is a mouse. A mouse is used to point objects in you see on the screen. By pointing at an object, you tell the computer what you want to do something with that object. In mouse have a left click and right click. And next one is the wheel click. Wheel click means scroll down the pages. UPS. UPS stands for uninterrupted power supply. Uninterrupted power supply is a device that allows a computer system to run for a short period of time when electricity power source lost. CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. A central processing unit, it is known as the brain of the computer system. All the instruction is processed inside CPU. The front panel of the CPU going to start button, light indicator, restart button, USB port, audio jack, and DVD writer. That is a button one DVD writer open buttons. And back panel of the CPU, the power connector, cooling fans, switch, PS2 ports, USB port, parallel ports, VGA ports, USB ports, and internet ports, audio jack, expansion slots. Thank you for the watching the video. Please subscribe my channel Sunil Computers Tech.